So I just received my track saw back from a repair at Festool, and I wanted to go over my experience with that in case you ever have to use that service. You'll know what to expect. I'm going to be opening this to see what they did. But basically I was using the track saw with the universal blade. I was ripping some maple. This is roughly 7/8 thick, and it was about a 9-foot piece, basically doing a cut for an edging on a countertop or a desk. And second cut I was going through, all of a sudden I realized the track saw was actually smoking. You could smell like a burning kind of wire smell. Saw is still under warranty. It's just under 2 years old, so I was a little surprised at that, but Festool took care of it. So it happened on a Wednesday night. So Thursday I went on, logged in, created a repair ticket. Immediately I received a UPS label, boxed it up, took it and dropped it off at UPS on a Thursday. They received it on Monday, and then I received it back on Saturday. So there wasn't really any communication from Festool. I ended up calling just to make sure they received it and to see what the status was. They said it was being repaired and it would be shipped out the next day. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we have here. When I sent it in, they wanted the power cord, and I left the blade that was on the saw on it. So see what they say here. It's a little sheet here. It kind of gives me the rundown of everything. There's some ball bearings replaced, it looks like, a spring, field assembly, armature, brush, sight window, motor housing. And it tells that I had the blade, the cord, and the sustainer in here, so they put everything there. Now let's see the saw here. So manual's in here just like before. Power cord. There's my power cord. It's got paint on it. And okay, so they did put like they said, a new sight window. The blade is my blade that was on there, the universal. Let's see, just making sure I keep this on camera. So they replaced this sight window, I guess. And let's see. So when I was making the cut, and I could smell something burning when I stopped the saw, this is where it was actually smoking from, is out of here. And the whole motor was quite hot. It didn't seem to be bogging down though or anything, so I was a little surprised. The cut was clean, there was no burning on the wood, and so I didn't feel like I was pushing the saw too hard, but I do use the saw a lot. It gets used every day basically that I work. So it's kind of the main thing. But let's go ahead and just click it on, see what it does. Just make sure the blade's tight. Hopefully they wouldn't send it back loose. Let's see, yeah, it seems to be tight. Seems to work. But anyways, just wanted to share that experience. It took just a little over a week to actually get it back from shipping, and like I said, there was not a lot of communication, so that I wasn't sure what to expect there. And it's back, it's repaired, and it seems to be ready to go. Thanks for watching.